Familiarize yourself with the 2012 Dodge Challenger. This two-door, five-passenger coupe is still under 75,000 miles. Dodge made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a standard transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, leather upholstery, voice-activated navigation, variably intermittent wipers, high-intensity discharge headlights, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.